What is custody mediation in New York? Custody mediation in New York offers parents an alternative to the adversarial nature of courtroom custody battles. Instead of engaging in stressful litigation, mediation allows both parents to work collaboratively on decisions regarding child custody and visitation. This method is designed to be less confrontational and more focused on the children's well-being. By providing a private and controlled environment, mediation encourages parents to reach a mutually agreeable solution that meets their family's unique needs, fostering better long-term outcomes for both parents and children. New York courts often recommend custody mediation as a way to reduce the emotional and financial burdens that can come with prolonged legal disputes. Mediation emphasizes understanding, cooperation, and the best interests of the child, making it a preferred option for many families going through separation or divorce. Legalities of custody mediation in New York. In New York, custody mediation is a structured process facilitated by a neutral mediator. It is an alternative to traditional court litigation, which often involves prolonged legal battles. Mediation offers a more flexible and tailored approach to resolving custody disputes. While the court system in New York encourages mediation to reduce adversarial interactions, it is important to understand that mediation agreements must still comply with New York's custody laws to be legally binding. The process allows parents to retain control over their decisions, unlike in court where a judge may make decisions that don't fully take into account the nuances of the family's situation. During mediation, each parent is guided by a mediator to focus on solutions rather than dwelling on past conflicts. Lawyers play an important role by ensuring that their clients' rights are protected throughout the mediation and that any agreement made is in line with the legal requirements of the state. Attorneys review the agreements before they are submitted to court to become part of the final custody order. Custody mediation in New York. Custody mediation in New York is a process where parents collaborate to resolve child custody issues with the help of a neutral mediator. The mediator helps the parents discuss critical topics like physical custody, where the child will live, legal custody, decision-making authority, and visitation schedules. By engaging in mediation, parents avoid the adversarial courtroom experience and instead work towards a resolution that best serves their children's needs. Mediation sessions are confidential, meaning that the discussions held are not disclosed in court proceedings, allowing parents to speak freely. The process is often faster and less costly than litigation, and it gives parents more control over the outcome. Mediation may take several sessions depending on the complexity of the custody issues, but the collaborative nature of mediation often leads to more satisfactory and lasting agreements for both parents and children. How does the custody mediation process work? Custody mediation in New York follows several key steps. Selecting a mediator. The first step is choosing a mediator experienced in child custody matters. The mediator should have expertise in helping parents navigate their concerns, such as visitation, holidays, and specific family issues like schooling or religious upbringing. Initial meeting. In the first session, the mediator explains the process, sets ground rules, and discusses confidentiality. This is an opportunity for both parents to raise initial concerns and outline what they hope to achieve. Identifying custody issues. Each family has unique issues, and during the mediation process, these are brought forward. Topics such as visitation schedules, holiday plans, and potential future amendments to the agreement are often discussed in detail. Negotiating solutions. The mediator helps the parents explore potential solutions. Throughout the discussions, the focus remains on the child's best interests. Parents are encouraged to compromise and communicate openly. Finalizing the agreement. Once an agreement is reached, the mediator drafts the custody agreement. Each parent's attorney reviews the agreement to ensure it protects their rights. Once reviewed and signed, it is submitted to the court for approval, making it legally binding. Benefits of mediation in custody disputes. Mediation offers several advantages over traditional court litigation. Reduced emotional strain. Mediation fosters a cooperative atmosphere, which can lessen the emotional impact on both parents and children. Instead of escalating tensions in a courtroom, mediation encourages calm, constructive discussions. Cost-effective. Court litigation can be expensive, with attorney fees and extended legal proceedings. Mediation, on the other hand, is usually faster and requires fewer sessions, reducing both time and financial costs. Confidentiality. Unlike court cases, which are public, mediation sessions are private. This allows parents to discuss sensitive issues without fear of public scrutiny. Control over outcomes. In mediation, parents maintain control over the custody arrangements, making it easier to craft flexible solutions that work best for their family. This is in contrast to court proceedings, where a judge ultimately makes the decisions. Long-term parenting benefits. Mediation strengthens communication between parents, which is essential for effective co-parenting after separation. It encourages parents to work together, laying a foundation for better long-term relationships. Custody mediation in New York helps families create parenting plans that are better suited to their unique needs, all while prioritizing the child's well-being. If you're considering custody mediation, it is beneficial to work with an experienced attorney who can guide you through the process and ensure that your rights are protected. For assistance with custody mediation, contact the Law Office of Ryan Besinque, PC at 929-251-4477. Our office is located at 115 West 25th Street, 4th floor, New York, 10001, United States. We are committed to helping you find the best possible resolution for your family.